The Vice President Constantino Chiwenga is warned President Emmerson Mnangagwa to rein in supporters attacking him, hinting that failure to do so could lead to another crisis akin to the 2017 coup that ousted President Mugabe. Sanapinda mashoko atukuna panapa vakomana vepazima yanyora chiti Chiwenga fires warning shots on mutungamiri wenyika Emmerson Mnangagwa. Go subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipina mna mubudami kwa mchinzini. This warning reportedly surfaced during a tense ZANU-PF Central Committee meeting this week. According to sources, Chiwenga expressed frustration over growing indiscipline within the party, which he said was fueling divisions. An unnamed committee member shared Chiwenga emphasized unity and cautioned we don't want to go back to 2017, leaving his words open and interpretation. President Mnangagwa, however, remained silent on the 2030 extension, reiterating the need for unity and discipline to achieve the party's vision 2030. Interestingly, the ED 2030 slogan was notably absent at the meeting. The intensifying factional struggle comes amid Zimbabwe's worsening economic crisis, sparking fears that the infighting could destabilize ZANU-PF and further alienate the public amidst rising inflation and unemployment. Tomashkwana muda nyuko pana pamzima eva cheti aiwa tukonzwa kumana ava vanokandara mashots vachikudzana maoni ekuti aiwa kana musikadi kuti tidzokere akuna 2017 kudzai vakomana aiwa vanokuteverai kana vanotaura mapropagandas enyu aiwa vasamuataka. Mashoko atokana General Chiwenga mati mapowers ekuti adzosere nyika back to 2017 vanobaona kupi since muchikozoti vakomana ndi general ndiye akanga akabata kumauto kuti mafunguro emo tudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Kuna comment section medu, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.